According to the UAE Fire Code, outdoor cooking activities such as barbecuing must be done with proper precautions to ensure safety of life and property. Key fire safety tips for barbecue in the UAE. Always position your barbecue grill in an open space at least 3 meters away from any building, tent, trees, or flammable material. Barbecuing on apartment balconies is strictly prohibited by civil events across the UAE. It's a major fire hazard and a violation under the local fire safety codes. Ensure a portable dry chemical fire extinguisher, minimum 4.5 kg, is placed within arm's reach while barbecuing. For gas grills, check the hose for leaks before use. Store LPG cylinders separate in shaded ventilated areas and never indoors. Supervision is key. Children and pets should stay at least 1 meter away from the grill at all times. Follow these essential safety steps to enjoy the outdoors while protecting lives and property. A fun barbecue should never turn into a fire emergency.